Welcome to week 23. If you're here, you're going to start here at before you begin. You're watching this video right here. So we have the checklist. Remember, the checklist is solely for you, not for me. So this week we only have 2 assignments. So there is one that you're going to be creating a dog using shapes in PowerPoint, and then the second one is typing. It is very important that you do the dog the way that I do it, because next week we're going to animate the dog and make it move, and if you have it in a different way, or if you don't do all of the steps, it's going to give you difficulty. So we'll have the live version of this Monday at 11. We will also have our live version Wednesday at 11. We will be doing online Jeopardy. Vocabulary continues, even though it is not a vocabulary week. And like I mentioned, there are 2 assignments. The first one is you're creating a dog using shapes in PowerPoint. Dog's name is Harlow, and it is 2 videos, and within the videos I tell the difference between downloaded and web version. There's not a lot, but there are a few little minor differences, so just go ahead and listen to them and you'll be able to get through it. You will submit this. And if you are following mine, it is Q3A8. The second one is you're going to be doing 2 lessons of a web practice page. And there's 2 different lessons. You're going to do the lessons, but while you are doing it, you're going to be doing you need to read what you are doing and why you are doing it. And because of that, you will be able to take a 5-question quiz. You can take the quiz twice. So if you do miss the first one, that's fine. You will get your answers and you'll be able to do it in the second one. And remember, this is for you. If you don't practice, if you want to tell me you do 50 words a minute and you do 14, that's fine. However, when we do go back on campus, I will have all of this as record. So you're not lying to anybody but yourself. So you will do this quiz. You have up to 2 times to do it. Those are the 2 things that you need to do this week. If you have any problems or questions, please message me and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If not, I hope to see you Monday or Wednesday, or see you soon.